Dear children, let us begin a new day by asking the blessing from the Almighty. Let us continue the same chapter, chapter 11, menstruation, the fourth lecture. And today, especially, you'll see the surface area of three objects, three solids. One is surface area of a cuboid, then surface area of a cube, and surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of three objects. One is cuboid, then second one is cube, and third one is cuboid, cube, and cylinder. So we need to find out the surface area of three objects: cuboid, cube, and cylinder. Surface area of three solids: one is cuboid, and second one is cube, and third one is cylinder. First of all, what is the formula of surface area of the total surface area of a cuboid? So cuboid, the first one is cuboid. We know that cuboid has three dimensions. Cuboid has three dimensions. It has length, then breadth, and height. It has three dimensions. It has length, it has breadth, and it has the height. Three dimensions are L, B, and H. L means length, B means breadth, and H means height. So the total surface area of a TSL is total surface area. Total surface area of a cuboid equal to, you can see the formula on page number 181. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LB plus BH plus HL. That is 2 multiplied with the LB, that is length into breadth, plus BH, that is breadth into height, plus HL, that is height into length. So the total surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 multiplied with LB plus BH plus HL. So that is the formula of finding out the total surface area of a cuboid. And second one is total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube. As you know, cube also is a three-dimensional figure. Cube also is a three-dimensional figure. And all the six sides are just like a square. All the six sides are just like a square. So in cuboid, L equal to B equal to H. Cuboid, its length, breadth, and height, all the three dimensions are equal. So, and each and every side looks like a square. Each and every side looks like a square. So the total surface area of a cuboid, the area of a square equal to A into A or L into L. Let's say A into A or L into whatever. So the total sides are 6 into L square. 6 into L square. That is the total surface area of a cube. 6L square, or you can write that avoid that multiplication mark, you can write directly 6L square. 6L square. That is the total surface area of a cylinder. Now third one is the total surface area. So cylinder, you know how many surfaces are there in a cylinder? So look at here. Here you can see cylinder has three sides. This is curved surface, and this bottom top circle, and this bottom also is like a circle. So it has three surfaces. One is curved surface and top and bottom circular shaped. This is circle and this also. The top and bottom circular shaped and this is curved surface. Now the cylinder has two formulas. One is curved surface area, C2RVD, curved surface area of a cylinder. That is curved surface area of a cylinder. That is 2 pi RH. You can see on page number 183. Page number 183. I'm sorry, 184. 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. 2 into pi. So what is the value of pi? Pi value is 22 divided by 7 or decimal 3.14. This is fractional form, this is decimal form. Okay. So either you can take pi equal to 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. Now the rule is always you take pi equal to 22 divided by 7. Otherwise, unless it's stated, sometimes the brackets itself, the question itself, you can get pi equal to 3.14. So if it is given, the instruction is given, take pi equal to 3.14, then you take 3.14, otherwise you always take a 22 divided by 7. So 2 into pi into R means radius, this radius, then H means this height, this is the height, and this is radius, so this is height, so 2 pi R. The last one is total surface area of a cylinder. So total surface area is, यहाँ टॉप में सर्कल एरिया इज पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस कर्व्ड 2 पाई आर एस प्लस बॉटम पाई आर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 2 पाई आर एस. ठीक है. So this is the total surface area of a 2 pi r square 2 pi r और इसमें और कॉमन ले सकते हैं, that is 2 pi r common plus h plus r, 2 pi r into h plus r, that is the called total surface area of a cylinder. So that's on page number 184. So please write down this whole formula. Total surface area of a cuboid will be LD plus BSC plus HL. Total surface area of a cube equal to 6L square, and total surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi RH, and total surface area of a cylinder equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. Okay, so memorize. Please complete all these formulas and write at least 10 to 15 times in your rough book and read and memorize it. So please complete your homework. And these examples 4, 5, 6 and all is given, and exercise 11.3. Complete the examples and exercise 11.3 your homework. Okay, take care. We will meet you in the next class with the volume of different object. Take care. Bye bye.